had the most full circle moment this year. Tonight we have an alumni student, one of my former students, Madison Betts, who's playing piano, much better than I too, and she's going to come out and play a couple of songs, so she's an alumni student. And then I had an intern this semester who is also a former student. She was one of my first students, and her name is Miss Lacey Ellis, and she actually sang this song that you're about to hear when she was in high school. And we were talking about it, and I was like, I've been wanting to bring that one back because it's beautiful. And we kind of talked about it, and I was like, you could conduct it. And she was like, I could conduct it. And so I have a former student, I'm sorry, I'm a crybaby, I'm sorry. But I have a former student playing the piano with another one of my former students, all my current students on stage. So I'm going to go backstage and cry while they do this.